entering this post-Thanksgiving surge with 3, 4, and 10 times as much disease across the country. And so that's what worries us the most.
The Thanksgiving holiday weekend is quickly winding down, and that comes with public health officials sounding the alarm over more potential COVID-19 spikes because of interstate travel and family gatherings. While travel numbers are significantly lower than in recent years, trains, planes, and highways were still busier than they have been since the beginning of this pandemic. As Trang Do reports, those left to travel has not only health experts worried, but leaders as well.
The airport was expecting some 40,000 travelers today, and in addition to Saturday, as well as the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, those were the peak travel days. Still, volume is way down compared to this time in previous years. As 2020's Thanksgiving travel period winds down, near-empty ticket counters and much shorter security lines at the Philadelphia International Airport are a stark contrast from years past. This as the nation surpassed 4 million COVID-19 infections this month, a new record.
It wasn't packed or anything like that, and I think that everybody was taking the precautions that they should have, but it's still scary.
With air travel down at PHL more than 50% compared to the same time last year, it seems that many people heeded the CDC's warning to not travel and instead celebrate the holiday with members of your own household. A difficult ask that New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy told Fox News will likely apply to Christmas and New Year's Eve as well.
For the next 2 or 3 months, we're in the fight of our lives. There's a lot of private setting transmission going on, so where we can strategically, surgically get at transmission, we do that.
Meanwhile, on CBS's Face the Nation, Dr. Deborah Birx said that people who spent Thanksgiving away from home should make extra efforts to prevent the spread of the virus when they return.
We're really asking families to even mask indoors if they chose to gather during Thanksgiving and others went across the country or even into the next state.
Michael Merlino says flying to visit his hometown of Berlin, New Jersey was important to him, but also risky. So he's taking steps to protect others when he gets back to Southern California.
I'm going to take some sick time in the morning, go get tested, and then I'm doing a self-quarantine for 14 days before I go back into the office.
And that's exactly what Pennsylvania hopes its returning travelers will do. Health Secretary Dr. Rachel Levine made an announcement earlier this month of an order that anyone returning to Pennsylvania must have a negative COVID test within 72 hours of returning to the state or quarantine for 14 days. From Philadelphia International Airport, I'm Trang Do, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.